Hello everyone and welcome to the pre-owned showcase here at Gerry Gordon's Mazda. I'm Dave Hallock and this beauty is a 2019 Honda Odyssey EXL. Sorry, it's the Touring. That's the top of the line version. It's fully loaded and it's in beautiful shape. Let's have a better look at it. Rolling on stylized 19-inch alloy wheels with Bridgestone Turanza all-season tires. You've got front and rear parking sensors, LED headlights. I'll zoom out here to get a better look. It's a Manitoba car, so you have the blockader cord down on the front. This van is in exceptional condition. There's no scratches, no dents. You wouldn't even think that there was kids in it, other than there's greasy fingerprints, but I think that's from our detailer who did an exceptional job on cleaning this guy up. It looks like it's brand new. Deep chestnut brown leather. You've got USB charging points in the center console. That's a wireless charging dock. You can close that off. It's got a Blu-ray player and DVD, push button shift select, navigation, auto dimming rear view mirror with home link. You've got the sunroof. There's a DVD player up there. Power sliding doors on both sides, remote start. Again, exceptional condition all the way around. No rips, no tears, no sand, no crackers. Super, super clean. There's our DVD entertainment system. And you've got independent climate control. And right up there. There's your third row. This is a 8-passenger vehicle. Front and mid mud guards. Touring edition of the Honda Odyssey. There's our power liftgate. Beauty part of these vans is that they've got tons of storage. Even with your third row up, you just pull the straps and then you got rumble seat action, power outlet, and a garbage collector here on this one side. It's like driving a living room, and it even comes with its own vacuum, which that's pretty awesome. No need to wait until you get home to clean up those emergency spills that can happen. You could do it right on the road. Absolutely beautiful shape. Memory positions to the driver's seat are on the door. Lots of little cubbies for all of your gear. Your power options there for parking sensors, lane departure warning. Power driver's seat with no wear and tear anywhere on that seat. And this 2019 Odyssey Touring has only 56,541 K. You cannot go wrong with that, my friends. This is a beautiful, beautiful van, and I do not believe that it will last very long. It's the 2019 Honda Odyssey Touring, and you're going to find it right here at Gerry Gordon's Mazda in the Waverly Auto Mall. Come on down and check it out. Like and subscribe to the page for more instant video updates.